this opal gemstone. It's from Lightning Ridge and it weighs a total of 5.5 carats approximately. That's an approximation. 5.5 carats weight. It's 14 millimeters in length and it's 12 millimeters in width. It's about 5 millimeters thick. It's got a dark base and it is semi-crystal. It has a bright blue rolling flash through that band of crystal. You can see that flashing up on the monitor on the screen, and it has a little bit of green, turquoise and blue, and then on the back side does have a little bit of color. And there are a few sand inclusions, a few clay inclusions that may rub out. You might be able to get that sand out off the top. Anyway, this is the stone from Lightning Ridge. Australia. In this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing that. Cheers.